Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at putting a diffuser on the car, but I'm going to be putting together the Carbon Creations diffuser, and then we're gonna just put it on the car to see what it looks like. So this is the diffuser. It is a Carbon Creations diffuser. Just wanted to give you guys a look at it. It's a pretty nice product. There are some blemishes from shipping, but that's all right. I can live with it. So yeah, today we're gonna just try to put it together. These are the other parts that come with the diffuser. They have holes for where they're gonna line up on the diffuser. So like, just for an example, this is gonna go like something like that. This guy is gonna be, oops, like that. And then these guys are gonna go something like that. Yo, definitely like that. So let me just get a table or something that's a lot taller than it just being on the floor, and we'll put some holes in this thing. What's in these boxes? Let's take a look. Oh, the factory BBSs. I'm going to be running these every now and then, but I just have to get them, get some tires mounted on them. But just wanted to kind of show you. They're powder coated white. The factory BBSs that came with the car. But for today, it's gonna be my stand for the diffuser, or my table for the diffuser. All right, let's make the first hole. First hole done. Well, that was nerve-wracking. But the first hole is done, and Seems like the bolt mounted fine with the diffuser. There's gonna be one that goes here as well. My hand's in the way, but one's gonna go right here as well. All right, so it seems like it lines up. We're gonna continue to put the other holes and see how she goes. Take it slowly. So if you get this diffuser, one tip I would say is to just take your time drilling the holes. If you rush it, you'll break through the epoxy and you'll have like a crack. I think that will weaken it a little bit, not too much, but it's best to take your time. An example of me taking my time is this hole here. You can see how clean it is. And I've progressed to do the other ones like that as well. So yeah, you can see it right there, right there. So yeah, take your time when drilling holes in your diffuser, and that way you'll get a better product when you're done. Oh, it's nice.
Was that a good one?
Yep, it was a really good one.
Look! It was in the tunnel. You didn't see it.
Yeah.
It was in the tunnel where the box was.
Yeah.
You won't see it if you look fast.
Yeah. You made two big bubbles.
Yeah, because I popped it.
Yeah.
Now, look. Look.
Yeah, I'm looking.
You want to see it? Look.
Whoa. All right, so we're finally at putting the side fins on. I'm gonna have to measure it out to find the right spacing for this side fin. It's gonna sit something like that, I believe. And then it also has to be equal. On the Carbon Creations diffuser, there's no marking on it to kind of give you an idea of where to place the fin, whereas the center fins did actually have dimples in it so that you could drill and kind of get a good position on where the center fin should go. It actually worked out well. So yeah, we're currently on the side fins. I'm debating on how I want it to be. And then I'm gonna get a marker and make marks on the, and then make the holes. All right, so I took a little bit of time. I was having some issues with doing the side fins. So my workaround was I made this template out of construction paper. It would be better if you use cardboard, like a thin piece of cardboard, maybe from like a Cheerios box or like a cereal box. But anyways, I made a template, and I, as you can see here, I traced the fin, and then I cut down exactly what I wanted the diffuser fin to look like. And so you can see, like, I cut down where I wanted it to run on the sides, and then I measured down maybe like 5 millimeters down, and then I end up making the holes for where I want the holes to be on the diffuser. Now I'm going to, I've already kind of made the holes here. So you can see I put the holes on the diffuser, and now I'm gonna drill it out and then we'll test fit to see how it looks. And then if we have enough time, we'll try to just see kind of what it looks like on the back of the car. All right. So it looks like it worked out. The template worked perfectly fine. I'm just tightening it on now, and I'll give you a better look in a second. So as you guys can see, I got it all mocked up and installed. That's the M3 hardware. I think I'm gonna upgrade it to M4, but for now this will do. I still actually have to put the M3s here as well, but I'm kind of getting excited. Let's just see what it looks like on the car. All right, so I've managed to get it kind of like wedged underneath the car with two bottles of oil and a cardboard box. So let's just get a sneak peek, see what it looks like, get some impressions, and then later on we'll be able to put it on. Yeah, man, that looks awesome. Now I'm definitely going to have to get some side skirts. But as you can see, it looks pretty cool. I'm definitely going to need some side skirts. So I think in the next coming days, I'm gonna see if I can get this guy actually mounted to the car. But I think I'm gonna need a second person to help with that. I'm looking at you, Phil. It definitely complements the car, the way it looks. I'm excited. Can't wait to get this on. Well, that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. I think the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna tackle some stuff in the interior, but I really do appreciate you guys watching the videos. Until then, take care. Bye.